Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial, I will apply this logo on PSD 3D Mockup. It's really great way to represent your logo to your client. Please watch the complete videos and don't skip any part, otherwise you will miss the trick. Let's start. Create new file, because we have to increase the size of this logo. Bring logo to this file and increase its size as much you want. Now export this logo as PNG file in any folder you want and save it. Now, we have to download free 3D PSD Mockup from Freepik. Freepik is one of the best website to download graphic design materials. Type anything in search bar, in my case I will type real estate logo mockup. Find best logo mockup and download it. Here you can see tons of free and paid 3D logo mockups. You can also apply filters on the left side like PSD and free. Now download any 3D mockups. Click and free download, and it will take some time depending upon your internet speed. So, our logo 3D mockup downloaded in zip file. Extract the zip file and open PSD file in Photoshop. Double-click on this smart object in Layer panel. In PW place embedded our logo PNG file here. Adjust this logo. Close the eyes of mockup logo. Now press Ctrl on PC and Command on Mac +S and save it. Now our logo is placed on 3D logo mockup. You can hide this text from mockup by closing eyes of this text in Layer panel. So our logo on 3D PSD mockup is ready to deliver to client. Save this logo in file type in which you want and save it. I hope you learned something new. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. It will appreciate me very much. I am uploading content on a regular basis. Thanks for watching.